there's nothing like it. While we love a home-cooked meal, we enjoy going to numerous restaurants or street food vendors around the island. We sample some in just a bit, but first, there's a wide choice of antipastos, or appetizers, primos, which are generally a pasta, risotto, or rice dish, and secundo, either meat, fish, fowl, or another main course. There is plenty that will please any palate. Whether you like fish like me or meat like Alfred, or if you're vegetarian or vegan, there is something for everyone. And who doesn't love all the pasta and pizza dishes? Street foods like arancini, panelle, crispelle, and takeaway lunches are also very popular. But wait, what about the desserts? Sicilian desserts are colorful, artfully made, and scrumptious. And let's not forget the granita and gelato. All these dishes have been influenced by the many conquerors of Sicily, starting with the Greeks, the Romans, Arabs, French, and Spanish. All left their mark on Sicilian cuisine. Are you enjoying this video? Please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Oh yeah, baby. I've been waiting for this for 6 months. Zuppa de cozze. Wow, look at these mussels. Alfred, I'm not giving you any of this. Just for me. All right, let's take a look. Wow. Filled with tomatoes, lots of garlic, little basil, parsley, and plenty of tomatoes. Yummy dum dum. Guess what these are? Crispelle. That's right. And here's our friend Fabiano. Ciao.
Ciao.
We've got the anchovies in. Now look at him. Look at this handwork going on here with the ricotta. Ricotta crispelle. Fabiano and Alfred is going to, of course, try them. So here we are on a Monday night in Valverde. And this guy is here every single night except for Tuesday, which is his rest day.
This is crispelle number one.
Crispelle number one
in Catania and in everywhere.
Ah, okay, in the province of Catania.
Giusto?
Giusto, that's correct. Okay, we'll give you the results of the taste tests in a little bit, but for now, check these out. He's so excited. He's seriously been waiting for this all week, friends. Look at these. Crispelle, ricotta, and anchovies. Alfred, you already tried the anchovy ones. You gave it a thumbs up. Now, how about the ricotta?
Flat out the best crispelles I've ever had in my life, number one. For my Lawrence boys especially. Look at this. They're nice and, dark. Crunch. I mean, watch the guy make them. They weren't pre-made up.
Yeah, we have an entire episode on that. Meanwhile, look at these candles. Little night mood here. So,
this is the
tons
ricotta.
of ricotta.
Not a little piece of ricotta. There's like a tablespoon in here. And I'm going to just break it because I'm a... when you eat these things, try to keep your little pinky up like that because you don't want to be a slub. We're from Lawrence after all, and this is how we eat them. And then you just put them in your mouth.
Good, huh?
Listen to me very carefully. Crispelles, in and of themselves, are a very good reason to move to Sicily. I'm telling you right now, God bless me.
These are a few of my favorite things. Swordfish, shrimp, calamari, involtini, which is rolled meat, all grilled fish, my salad, yum, and of course a glass of wine. Now, what is Alfred eating? Alfred, what are you eating?
Agnello, mountain lamb. It's in season right now, Estebansta. And patate a forno.
With
a little
rosemary.
bit of rosemary on that.
So,
It's our favorite restaurant, Piccolo Mundo.
let's chin chin right here.
Chin chin.
So
God
here
bless
we
you.
are, pasta alla norma, a typical Catanese meal. We're having it in Shaka. Alfred, how did they do?
Well, let me tell you this, okay? Because I happen to be an expert on pasta alla norma, but this is every bit as good as anything in Catania. You know why I like it? Because of the artichoke, the eggplant they're cooked right to perfection. Fresh ricotta salata, cheese grated nicely. Fresh basilico, just enough too, because we're going to have cozzi for a second course. But the sauce is a marinara sauce, a fresh tomato sauce. So Esther, I would say I would have to give this particular. I've had 3 forkfuls too, by the way. This gets an A-
Wow,
for tonight's fare, and I don't give out grades like my brother Tommy. That's for sure. Right.
Tonight I'm trying the stocco, which is cod, messinese, which is Messina style with celery, capers, olives, of course tomatoes, and all types of goodies. And it comes with potatoes, and Alfred is having the mixed grill, but we're in Tre Castagni, which is Alfred's ancestral home, and he's so happy.
You know, I was thinking today while I'm having dinner tonight, this is the same town my grandfathers used to come and eat. Can you imagine that? And here it is, over 100 years later, I'm with the beautiful and lovely Esther for Valentine's Day, and we're having a great meal with 0 kilometer food. Everything is local, and this is the same place we're going to be bringing our guests for one of the meals.
Look at this. Fantastic, right?
All right, this is the quintessential lunchtime meal here in Sicily, called pasta al forno, which, as you can see, has got the tomato sauce with the mozzarella cheese on it, and inside it's got peas, and it's got ziti, and it's baked. And this is the first time in like a month I've had pasta. But I told Esther this week I wanted to get some pasta to taste it, so I didn't feel like cooking any. So let's see how pasta al forno is. We're at Cafe Vittoria, Piazza San Antonio. Very nice place. And what it's very, very good. It's not served piping hot here. It's served warm for lunchtime, because people usually grab and go. Cost up $2. $2. And greetings from Sicily, pasta al forno, Alfred, and Esther's behind the camera today. Ciao.
Here in Campo Felice de Rocella, and Franco, ciao!
Ciao.
He's one of the owners
Buonasera.
here, and this is what you call a Sicilian antipasta, cheese.
E allora, cominciamo. Peperoni ripieni,
Stuffed peppers.
melanzane alla norma,
Ooh, eggplant,
salsiccia di caccamo,
sausage,
carciofini, sottone, mozzarella di bufala,
mamma mia.
bruschette con pancetta locale, frittelle di melanzane,
I stopped translating.
bruschette
'cause
siciliane,
it's overwhelming.
peperone
Wow.
alla griglia, funghi, poi abbiamo le classiche panelle,
Panelle,
ricotta fresca
and of course,
e caponata di melanzane.
oh, fantastico, grazie. And
Prego,
so
buon
now,
appetito,
buon appetito.
We have an entire video on street foods of Sicily and also several cooking ones, so make sure you go through our library of videos. Please help us continue our work by contributing to our GoFundMe campaign. I'll leave you a link in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao!